going on, everybody in YouTube land? My name's Stephen Condon. I'm the founder of Bossman Brands, and baby, I am back. And I'm back with a vengeance. I've been gone for a little while, but I've been gone for good reason. If you check out my videos I've been doing from the past few videos, I've actually been working on some professional videos, commercials for Facebook, TV, whatever you have it, but I've been gone for a good reason. So please go back, give me a like, let me know what you think about the videos or the commercials. I'd love your feedback. But man, now that I'm back, like I said, I'm back with a vengeance, and I got this cool little lighting now. I got a nicer camera. I got this rooster sign, and you can actually hear me better too, which is cool. So now that I'm back, I'm ready to teach you some more educational videos, introduce you to my products, my new stuff, what I currently have. So what better way to start than the biggest pain in your ass, the mustache. Growing a mustache is a pain. Your girl hates it because she's kissing it all day. You're eating it all day. Oh man, and the worst thing is using that mustache wax that these guys are selling. You got to heat it up to get it out of the can. Screw all that, man. So what I did, I created a water-based mustache wax that's super easy to get out of the can, lasts all day. You can train it all day, and it washes right out, man. It's probably my favorite product that I have made. So it is called Bossman MUDstache Wax. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there it is. It's called MUDstache Wax, and I'll teach you how to use it, and I'll teach you how to train that mustache, and you can actually grow one a little bit longer because it looks a little cooler if you have a longer mustache. You know it, and it looks badass. So let's get started. I'm going to teach you how to do this. First of all, it's 0.75 ounces. It's going to be a little bit bigger than your normal mustache wax. And like I said, it's super easy to get out. Watch this. Boom. So I like to get about a pea size. I don't know if you can see that there. About a pea size. And what I do, sorry, I got a mirror down here, so if I'm not making eye contact, I'm sorry. All right, ready? So put it in the middle of your mustache, just like that. Get it under and move the hairs side to side like that, and then push it down, get it in all the hairs, and go all the way to the tips, just like that. It's gonna look white at first, but that's just how it starts out. All right, now that you got it in, get your favorite mustache comb. I use my Bossman's powder-coated metal beard and mustache comb. I tightened up the tips here so you could, and flatten the top so you could get under your nose. I think about this stuff a little too much. All right, so work that stuff from middle to the end. So the more you flatten your comb, it'll push that stuff out, and then do the other side, just like that. So see how it's just moving it all the way across? See, when you flip it over and over, it gets more to it, and you keep working it through. So now that you got it out of your mouth just like that, I like to leave it for a little while because you're training this little bastard. All right, once you got it trained just like that, you can either leave it like that. It's however you want to wear your mustache. That's just your own prerogative. But I like more the natural look. And so what I do, I use my Bossman's boar hair nylon bristle brush. And check this out. You can get the natural look. That is the cool thing about MUDstache Wax. Look at that. Looks like I ain't got shit in it, right? I mean, you can go all the way down if you want. And this is the beauty of it here, so check it out. Now that I got that, if it goes in your mouth and falls, you can just train it back out, and voila! You're back in business. You can kiss your girl. You can eat your food. You can do whatever you want. So that is my mud. So I'm going to put a link below. I want you to check it out. $12.95, pretty cheap. And welcome back, man. I'm back. So that was my first video, and well, first video in a while. And get ready for the next one. I'm going to keep showing you products, teaching you stuff, and thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, give me some love. Peace, guys.